Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. This is a special episode because Grandpa D is making a fantastic cake for my grandson's 7th birthday. We are doing a soft and moist carrot cake, which is a favorite of my apo. As for the theme, we will engage power ninjas who are as smart, nimble, and masterful as my grandson. So, let's jump right in and start baking our ninja carrot cake. Hoo-yah! We begin by sifting together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Stir them well using a wire whisk. Shred about 3 to 5 carrots to make 3 cups. For our wet ingredients, we mix together 2 cups brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar over white for more flavor. 1 cup cooking oil, vegetable or canola oil is preferred. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla. Mix until sugar is dissolved. Then, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, until well blended. Now, we add the dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Add the 3 cups of shredded carrots, 1 cup of raisins. You may add nuts if you wish, or even pineapples, whatever makes you happy. Fold in using a spatula until well blended, but do not overmix to keep it soft and moist. Prepare the baking pan of your choice by greasing and lining with parchment paper for easier removal once the cake is done. Fill your pan about 1/2 to 3/4 full and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. "30 minutes or so later, cake is done when toothpick comes out clean. To make the cheesecake frosting, we need 2 sticks of butter, 16 ounces or 2 bars of cream cheese. Beat until incorporated. Add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Cover with cloth to avoid mess. Whip until smooth but thick and fluffy. Trim the dome part to make a flat top for the second layer. Spread a good amount of frosting on top and then assemble the second layer. Frost the top and sides of the cake with your cheesecake frosting. The use of turntable will come in very handy when frosting. Add color to your decorative frosting. We choose orange for the base to represent the color of the carrot. For the top, we pick green, which is the color of the carrot leaves. We choose ninja cake toppers because my grandson is very much into martial arts. He has the skills and graceful moves of a young ninja warrior. There you go! Grandpa D's amazing carrot cake is done! Happy 7th birthday, Master Sabian! May you have more birthdays to come! Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na!